Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? Today I came up with one new delicious recipe that is mushroom pepper gravy. Let's see how to prepare this. For that, first we need to remove all the upper layer of the mushroom like this. Don't put like that only, guys, because it contain more dust in the mushroom. See, first we need to clean nicely mushroom very neatly. First we need to remove all the layer like this. See how I am removing. Then wash it around 3 to 4 times nicely with water. If you are liking my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See, guys, how the this mushroom is. We need to clean like this neatly 3 to 4 times with a good water. Then here I took two medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Then we'll cut the onion, cut very nicely. Then we'll cut the mushroom like this. See how I cut the mushroom. Then we'll keep it ready. Take two red baggy chilies. This will give flavor very nicely. Then we'll take around 1.5 teaspoon of pepper. Then we'll take half spoon of sompu. Then we'll add 1 by 4 spoon of jeera. Then 2 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Now we'll take 1 bay leaf. Then small piece of stir. Then a small piece of cinnamon. Then 1 cardamom. Guys, this is the bachelor recipe. Anyone can do. This is very simple. Now take one pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Then we'll dry roast all the masalas. See, now I am adding pepper. Then we'll roast it well. See, roast it well nicely. See, guys, how the pepper color is changing. Wow, you will feel like it is wow. Then we'll add coriander seeds, then jeera, sompu, whatever masala we took, all we dry roast it very nicely. Wow, guys, if you don't know cooking, just don't order outside food. Just see my recipes. Then daily I will upload one new easy recipe. See, now I am putting all the roasted masala into the mixie jar. Don't leave any of the masala in the plate. Then we'll do mixie. Grr, 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 grr. See, guys, now after doing grr, 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 how this powder is, it becomes very smooth powder. See, wow, how it looks like, right? Yes. Now we'll take a pan, then add a cooking oil. Then here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ghee. Then once the oil get heated, we'll add cut small chopped garlic, then curry leaves, then mix it well. Then we'll add onion, mix it well, mix it well. See, guys, then we'll add salt according to the taste. If we add salt at this stage, it will help the onion to cook fast. See, now we'll add the tomato. Wow, how this tomato color is, right? Yes, it is very reddish. This stage is that you will feel like very yummy. Then close the plate. Then wait for a 5 minutes. See, now this tomato is become very smooth. Yes. Wow, how it looks like, right? Yes, guys. Now, at this stage, we will add the mushrooms. See, here I am adding all 400-gram mushroom which I cleaned and kept already. See, I'm mixing well, mix it well, then close and wait for a 15 minutes. See, now after 15 minutes, how the mushroom is looks like. At this stage, we'll add all the powdered masala into the mushroom curry. Wow. See guys, this color is looking like very yummy, right? Yes, it seriously looks like mouth watering. If you check after 5 minutes how it looks like, wow, really you will like it. This mushroom is actually very good for our health because it contains low calories and vitamin B and D. So, see, you can turn off the stove at this stage also if you are using this gravy for the rice. If you are using for chapati or the parotas, let's wait for gravy to dry. Now we'll add coriander leaves to the curry. It will give very good flavor to the our mushroom pepper gravy. Guys, if you are liking our videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for this kind of easy new recipes. I hope you learnt a new recipe without boring after watching these videos. This kind of more videos, please don't forget to subscribe us. We will come up with daily one new simple recipes. Thank you for watching.